Okay, let me start the session. Once again, I repeat the topic. Move the database from on-premises SQL Server to Azure storage using ADF. Here, in previous task, we do the same thing, but using different methods. This is based on this ADF concept. Okay, for this, what we need to do means just create in the just first of all, we need to set up the on-premises environment here. So here, just inside this on-premises, we're going to create an SQL server, and just in last videos, I'm explain about this. How can we install those softwares like SQL server, and what are the software required to run SSM tools. In previous slide, we explained about that. If you missed that video, you go and watch first. Then install that SQL fully. After that, you can install the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Then after that, just go log into the using your server name. Just this is my system name / and server 01 is my server name, and just give the select the authentication type here, and give the login password, login username and password. Here SCA is a default one. For if anyone create anything, the SCA is a default for every SQL this thing. This is a predefined system created login. If you want to change, you can go to the settings and change, add the much more user, and using that username you can able to log in. After login, you can get just import the database. Here I'm just a single step I'm showing. This is contain just we need to restore means first of all we need to just go to Google, then download the adventurous work of Microsoft. You can able to download the sample or database. These are the some sample databases of Microsoft. We can able if you use this means it will be very similar to this practical scenario use cases. If you create a simple table, single table column means it's not much more impact our things. We always just using the availability file. That's why we going to restore this file. This is actually exact backup file. So we just go to restore these things. Just download this adventurous work 2016. Then you can using this restore method, just click this option all task, and restore option is there. Just go to a restore, then you can get like this with pop up. Then you can here the three dot is there. Just click out those tasks, just select the device and go to there and select which folder you can store the restored backup file. Just double click on that. You can just load it here. Then database adventure is restored successfully. You can get it after that. Giving this OK, you can get this pop up. It means it's a good sign. It will be good. Then we can move to the next part. Is we're going to the intermediate part. This we need to create the Azure Data Factory. And yesterday I did not show you guys. I think I don't remember. I'm showing exactly this. How can we create this the ADF? In this slide, you can see this pictorial representation about this exact ADF things. Just go to type in this search bar as a Azure Data Factory. You can get this and click this option. You can just create this data factory here. Just select the subscription type and give this resource name and region and name, and just if you want to config with the Git, you can able to do these things. If you don't no need means here in this we no need it. So just directly go with the review plus create. Just after just complete those things, we need to give the networking part and advanced tags. There is nothing changes in this part. Just everything is on default, except if a network only needed means you can able to change those things. Just you click review and create, it will be created. After created like the same, this is a ADF home page. You can able to see like this. If you click out this overview, you can able to see two options there. This old edition, it's different. In this new edition, this is a methodology. This is a two options. Just click on the button model. If you click at the open, you can this new window is pop up there. you can work on those ADF work in the new Windows. If you want to much more gather more knowledge about this ADF, you can just read out this document. You can able to gather much more. Updated docs of and Microsoft is available there. Then another option, this is some notes, important note, guys. This step 5, I'm showing this. Just we going to just create a linked services integration runtime means. For everything, we first of all we need to something linking or mapping. We need to do this. Here we can see this connection. There's three things available. This as linked services, integration runtime, and preview. Okay, to create the linked service, just select the integration runtime, and we need to select these things. Means if you want, but first of all we need to select the what we are going to do. Means if yesterday we are doing this operation Azure to Azure, so we can select this auto runtime integration option. But here today is a different scenario, little bit vary. Means on-prem Azure to we going to just on-prem to just move to self Azure on-prem to Azure, so we can going to select the self-hosted option. Self-hosted, if self-hosted select means you can able to communicate from on-prem to there. Then this is a linked service pictorial representation. Then you can click on new. You can get this option, just integrate runtime. Just here I'm just giving the name. This is the default one, and type you need to select this. This is self-hosted. Why I'm saying means in this previous point I'm explained about why here going to select the self-hosted, because we're going to move then on-premises to Azure. So we're going to select then self-hosted. After that, download the self-hosted. See, in this step 6, we need to download this Microsoft integration runtime and set up on this on-premises environment. Because using these only, we can able to connect from Azure to on-prem. By using this, just download this setup, just download this application and just install on this your on premises. Then only we can able to communicate with that. Like how can we? It acts like an agent. Like how can we do this hyper? We just install this agent and we can get the communication. Just paste the key, it will be detected. Like the same here also we can doing this same concept. Just this Microsoft runtime, after double click on that, just select the US and click next. And this is a single step installation. You no need to give anything much more information here. Just click on this OK, and you can carry forward to the next steps. Then after complete those things, just come back the portal, and here just I'm giving this, just connect IR with an SQL to self-hosted. Just for my description, I'm giving these things. Here, this authentication key option is there. If you want to be for that, we need to copy this key. We can use any key. There is a 2 option keys there. We just select one key and just paste in this self-hosted already installed on-premises environment. Then only you can get communicated. Okay, this subscription is going to connect. This portal is going to redirecting. Actually, this is act as a agent path, like gateway, like between these two of one target and source. If you get okay, this is the green symbol is a good sign for this. Then after that, just register with that. Then only you get in the green sign. Register with that. Then after it getting installed, just show the authentication key. Just after that, it's completed. You can click on this Launch Configuration Manager. You will be next send it to that Microsoft Integration Runtime Configuration Manager. So we can this is credential store on premises in sync, like import backup, generate backup, some of those extra features, or you can able to display in the things. self-hosted is now connected to the cloud services. So this is a good sign of message. We can see successfully we did the nearly we crossed the 50% of work. If we establish the connection between the source and target, you can able to migrate or move database data or anything. Just test the connection. Okay, this is fine or not. In this on-premises side, we get this messages. Oh, so we can going to check with this Azure. Okay, this is working in the proper way or not. Just this test connection, you go and click on the test connection. See here in this right corner of this window, you can able to see this test connection option there. Just click on this test connection. You can able to check with this connection. You can already see about this all those things. How this test connection, this is a green sign we can able to see here. Before that, you need to compulsory give some of those basic mandatory details like server name and database name select, and just select this authentication type of this data. Select the then if we moving to the okay, this connection is established to find, then we need to copy the data. So we can just moving to the again this Azure ADF portal. We can see these options like this ingest, code free data pipelines option, transform data. In this, we're going to move by using created this pipeline method. So just click on this the second option here. Then after that, if you click on that, you can getting this like a window like. In this window, you are going to do what you exactly do means just copy data, just drag, just double click, just click on this, then drag like this, and you can able to see this option is came from here. When this created during the starting time, it's not available. Just it's showing this a very blank page here. Just what we going to do means just click, drag and drop the copy data here. Then you can getting these things. Here, these are the some of those things, some of little bit objects we're going to give this source. Sync is nothing but target and mapping thing and settings. Mapping means whatever, if you want to change in this column type and anything else, there's much more option is there given this mapping of part. Like that, if you want particularly, if you collect nearly 5 tables and columns about a student name, college name and a register number, like that means you needed the particularly you just you need to discrete that something like a student name only. I needed like that other columns are discrete. You can using this mapping where those things are going to map that things. Then select the source and click, create the new linked services already we created. In that linked services is here we can see this, just click the select option. You can able to see this whatever our linked services we create that will be available in that source. Then after that, okay. Just we're going to select this data set like a SQL server. Here we select, then okay, here SQL server is selected. Then just we're going to use this use query in this table. So just select table. If you want to query, just select query. This is actually this above I mentioned is this is come to the next tab. Like Zinc is a target. So select the Azure storage block is here the target. So here I am going to select that those things like Azure storage block here. Just click that mapping here. We can just click on import schemas. Then only we can able to just import those things. Just select the mapping here, and after mapping happens, these are some of this source objects we can see in this our imported things like project ID, special offer ID. I'm just download this some salesman adventure database like that from this Microsoft. That's why here just showing this those objects there like order quality, product ID, some etc. Something. If you want to map, just select this int or character types also available there. Just select this integration type and it's in the auto. Now the status is in the succeed, and we need to move our data to our target. Just click these things. One more thing I added in this my font. Just click this option and start the debugging. After that, just start validate. Here option is there. Just click first, then do anything. Then if you select those things only, it will be work without any issue. After okay fine, this is validate is success. If a debugging time, if you get any error, you can able to see that debug time. If you want to validate, definitely we're going to do validate. So just select this again and click on this validate button. You can see after that this validate is success, this green tick mark is there, the copy data box, and this state is also showing this green. It's a very good sign. We will be completed this exactly. Then now we moving to this storage container. This is nothing but this is my path where I'm going to navigate and find out the database. Means target storage. I use storage container and moved source database. Okay, I moved. So okay, fine. We can see these things in the storage out container. Just we click on the select view and edit. You can able to see those things like schemas of what are the order details, some things. We just giving this int option only there. That's why you can getting this number of numbers only. So whatever you can select, you can able to get this character types like those things. That's it, guys. We just using this ADF. We moving from on-premises to Azure. Guys, anybody have doubt on this slide? In this any topic? I need to retake anything. Hello. Guys, if you have any doubt, means ask me.
No, Jagdish, nobody have any doubt.
Yeah, okay, sure. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I want to. Okay, I'm stop my recording. I think today is the last KT, guys, from